Hello guys, today we make Crema Catalana. For this recipe we need 500 ml of milk or milliliter of milk. Inside the milk I put 1 stick of cinnamon, the lemon zest of half lemon and half of the sugar that we need. We need 80 grams of sugar. We're on the fire, we mix very well. When start, we can say boiling, you should not boil the milk. So when the milk is very hot, you off the fire and you cover with a lid. And we should wait that the milk become cold. In this way, all the taste from the cinnamon and from the lemon will go inside our milk and our cream will be spectacular. In this cup, I put 4 yolks, plus we need 25 grams of starch corn and a little bit of milk to melt our starch corn. Now waiting that the milk become cold, in these 4 yolks, when you will come close I show you that they are very fresh. It's not from the supermarket but from Lina. Again, Lina give me these eggs. So probably Lina will be the sponsor of the channel for this period that I am here. You can recognize they are fresh and from the farm because they are not selected. So someone is more big, someone is more small. So when you will come close, I'll show you. Now we put the sugar with the yolks. We mix very well. After we melt the corn starch with this little bit of milk. This one should be cold, remember, or room temperature. We mix everything together and when the milk is cold, we go ahead with the recipe. Now that our milk is cold, we should add the milk to the eggs. We remove the cinnamon, the lemon peel. We mix everything very well and we put again in the pot. The pot again on the stove at the minimum power. And we need to stir always gently until the cream starts to be a little bit thick. Remember not to boil it. When the cream is thick, we put in our container. Put the cream in our pots. Now we should wait that the cream become cold. After we cover with a plastic wrap and we put in the fridge for at least 4-5 hours. So if you do one day in advance, if you make it one day in advance, is always better. So tomorrow I will do the testing. See you tomorrow. Spectacular, very soft. You can taste the cinnamon and after with the crunch from the sugar that is caramelized is spectacular. Okay guys, remember to subscribe to the channel, to leave me a like, to share this video with your friends. Any question, any suggestions, always down in the comments. Bye bye!